I had a braider asking me a couple of weeks ago whether the human hair blend boho braids that we carry in store at the Braid Besties can be hot water dipped. So what we're going to do today is do a hot water dip test for the human hair blend braids that we have. The Premium 2 Deep Bulk Braid and the Natural Dream Deep Bulk Braid. So we're going to compare those two. This is what the Natural Dream Deep Bulk Braid looks like when you take it out of the pack. You can see the pattern there. And this is the Premium 2 Deep Bulk Braid. So what I'll do today is I'll just take out a few strands. That's the Premium 2 there. So we can see here both the braids and the results of dipping them. The only other hair that we haven't tested that we have in stock is this one. So the Harlem Signature Bulk, the Kima Classic. So we're going to give that a go. This is the Kima Classic in Water Wave. We've got the Harlem Kima Water Wave there, dipped. That's what the pattern looks like. Then we've got the Zury Natural Dream, and that's what the pattern looks like. And we've got the Premium 2 Deep Bulk. All right, so I hope that answers your questions as far as dipping the braids. If you have any more questions about that, please ask them in the comments below and I will answer them. Thanks for watching.